Oh shoot, what is this? Dang, that's a huge box. Man, I waited for like about 2 months for this to come in. It came in on a pallet, yo. Check this out. The straps even say Honda on it. What the heck am I supposed to do with this pallet? Psst. I don't know. But dang, it's finally in. Woo. Man, I've been waiting way too long for this to come in. So just to let you know, it is a different color. So the Civic is gonna be 3-toning for a bit. It's gonna be 3-toning just like the Prelude. Yeah. Biggest unboxing on this channel. Yeah. Dang, yo, I think it's upside down. Yeah. Yo, I thought for a box this big, you know, they would kind of pad it up a lot better. This is literally just in a huge box. But, I mean, as long as it ain't damaged, then shoot. Whatever. Woo! Yo, this thing is like, of course it's brand new and super clean, but yo, this is super clean. It feels like, wow. It feels like it's a brand new car. Oh man, this feels so nice. I've never had something brand new like this. So one thing I didn't order are the grill pieces, the centerpiece and these 2 extra pieces. Yo, those things are expensive. I mean, the bumper itself was pretty expensive, but then shipping was like half the price of the bumper, like literally. And then buying these 3 grill pieces is like another half price of the bumper. So this conversion definitely isn't cheap. But man, it's gonna look so good. Check out that bumper though. That's the FD1 style, and this is the FD2. It's definitely gonna look a lot more aggressive. Well shoot, yo, let's get this bumper on. We're having a little fitment issue. I think I probably gotta take this bumper cushion thingy off. Let's hope this fits. Guys, I got some really disappointing news. Can you guess what the issue is? But yo, the bumper looks good. It looks amazing. The fitment is on point, but the issue is also fitment. Check it out, yo. Oh, gross. Oh man. All right, so there are a few issues with the Type R bumper fitment on the FD1 conversion. So apparently the fenders on the Type R are a little bit wider, but when I try to bolt them up, look, it comes short. See, this is where the screw is on the Type R bumper, but the screw on the FD1 fender is like right here. So the Type R bumper comes a little short. So I guess the Type R fender has more clearance for a bigger wheel, because the Type R does come with 18-inch wheels, whereas non-Type Rs come with the 17-inch wheels. So the FD1 grill doesn't bolt up at all onto the FD2 bumper. So here's the FD1 grill. This mounting point doesn't line up with that hole. On top of that, if I do hold this in place, the bottom of the grill isn't sitting on anything. Also, the FD1 cushion crash bar thingy doesn't fit behind the bumper, and when I put the bumper on, I didn't hear any clips snap at all. So for whatever reason, the clips didn't go in, and so this bumper isn't really securely bolted on. This is kind of lame. See, what I push it in, it won't clip into anything. Lame. Well, I'm really disappointed. I was hoping I could put the FD2 bumper on and keep it on, but as of now, I can't put the bumper on. I honestly thought it was gonna be pointless to get the FD2 fenders because I thought the only difference was that I had the side markers right here. Well, that's that, guys. So in case you wanted to know if the FD2 bumper will fit on FD1, there's your answer, man. It's lame that I had to find out the hard way, but hey, man, we live and we learn. And hopefully I saved one of you guys time and money. Ouch. 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 It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit.
Bro?
Nah.
What?
Dang, man, it looks so good though. This FD2 conversion looks amazing. I can't wait to complete it and have it on my car. But right now, this is just a fake setup. I can't keep it on, and I am genuinely sad, hurt inside. But hey, I'm happy that I got my hands on this bumper, and so just gotta piece it piece by piece, and we'll get to our destination. Yeah. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I think I gotta get FD2 bumper brackets too, because like there's no way that this is gonna come up with that hole right here. So yeah.